is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun. The palm touch. Palm tour.